So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to apply for sales tax permit in Texas. So basically, first, you need to go to controller.texas.gov and you will see under the Business Center, you will see the web file eSystems Login. So you just have to click on that one, and once you click on that one, you will redirect to eSystems Login page. So as you can see, it will ask for your user ID as well as your password. Just enter your credentials for you to able to proceed to log in. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page, which is under the taxpayer or vendor number. You will see the file and pay button. Once you click on that one, you will redirect to this page, which is you'll be able to select an option whether you want to file an original return, an amend return, or make a payment only. So select the file original return for you to able to file taxes. After that, you need to select the continue and select the continue button again. And now, you have filed successfully. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.